Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Karen. Namaste. I'd like to invite you to join me for a distance healing session today. So this is like an energy work or Reiki session that I'm delivering virtually by distance. And it's just as effective as doing an energy healing session in person because we're accessing the quantum field of energy. And that quantum field of energy is neither specific to time nor location, as we know from quantum physics. So you can still benefit from an energy healing session even if I'm not sitting next to you in the same room. Make yourself as comfortable as you like. So for many of you, that might mean lying down. When we lie down, we can take in even more deeper inhales and exhales. And as we know, breath is a very important part of healing and wellness. So being able to take in the maximum amount of inhalations and then complete exhalations might mean lying down for you. As you get yourself comfortable, I'm going to just set up my space here with some good intention, some good energy. So I'm going to light some Palo Santo wood, the holy wood. And just do a little smudge or clearing of my space. And if you like to sage or smudge your space before energy, then you might do the same thing. And just asking for all positive energy to come in. Only that which is for our best and highest good should join us today. Anything that is not for our best and highest good, anything dark, negative, or harmful should leave the space. Maybe asking any special spirits or angels that you have around you that you like to connect to also join you for your session today. I'm just setting the intention for good, positive, healing energy to join us. And as you get comfortable, start to take a couple of deeper inhales and exhales, just softening the body, relaxing in. Fidgeting where necessary to become even more relaxed, more comfortable. And then relaxing across your forehead and your eyebrows, even the little soft space between the brows. Relaxing all the muscles of the cheeks and your lips. Maybe giving a little wiggle to your jaw, clearing the air bubbles between your ears, and then relaxing the jaw and dropping your tongue. And then let your shoulders get a little heavier and softer. So your arms are getting heavier and just like a feeling of melting all the way down across your arms, your wrists, into your hands and your fingertips. And then noticing the weight of your spine, whether you're seated or lying down, just let it get heavier all the way down to the root of your spine, the hips, the pelvis, and all the way down the legs to the heels and the toes. And just noticing where your mind is, what's keeping your mind busy today. And of course, it's always the job of the mind to be thinking, so it's not that we can stop that from happening, but maybe now shifting your awareness to what you'd like to receive from the session. Maybe answers to questions, maybe some peace in your heart for something that's been troubling you. Maybe just a sense of calm and clarity. And take one more really big cleansing inhale and exhale, letting all of that settle in. And then from the soles of your feet, imagining red roots connecting you to the earth, where you could pull the earth energy up through the feet, into the legs, the spine. And exhaling softly, letting the breath move out, but holding on to the energy. And now moving the energy up a little higher to the base of the navel. Maybe picturing that beautiful orange color that signifies that energy center. Next inhale breath will move the breath up a little higher to the base of the rib cage, that powerful center of us. Like a warm, bright yellow sunshine just emanating from that power center in you. Next inhale breath, moving the breath a little higher up to the center of you, your heart. Picturing maybe with your eyes closed the most bright, emerald, beautiful green emanating from the center of your heart out beyond, further than your fingertips could reach if your arms were outstretched for a hug. Letting that green wrap all the way around you, front and back, all the way out into the world around you. Next inhale breath will bring a little higher up to the throat energy center. And that's classically connected to the color blue, speaking your truth, true blue. Who are you authentically when you're expressing yourself through the throat energy center? Next inhale breath, let's bring the breath a little higher again, all the way up to the soft space between the eyebrows. And if you can keep your eyes gently closed, but see that space that sits between the brows, you might visualize the warmth or the color violet. You might actually see words or colors or shapes there behind the eyes. Just softly focusing your gaze there, even though the eyes are gently closed. And letting all of that go. And we'll take one more breath, drawing the breath a little higher again, all the way up to the top center of the head. And if you can visualize that there's a beautiful golden white little orb of energy just sitting above you, gently connecting you to something greater than yourself, whatever you believe that to be today. Whatever universal life force is there, whatever community you're connected to, whatever higher creator you're connecting to, feeling that beautiful golden white orb of light, holding you safely there. Let's take one more breath, drawing the energy all the way up through the length, the soles of the feet, up the length of the spine, out the top crown of the head. Exhaling, letting all of that go, but holding on to the beautiful energy you've just infused. I'm going to start to play some sounds for the sound healing session. The energy of Reiki is universal life force, so we're calling in the Reiki energy, universal life force, to be delivered to every one of us who needs it. Your job is to sit back, relax, and just receive. Notice if you feel any sensations in your body with the sound, maybe a tingle or maybe a tightening of a muscle somewhere. It's all good. Maybe you feel no physical sensation. It's also good. And just allowing yourself to receive the sounds as they come in, noticing if there's anything that comes up in your mind or in your body without any expectation that it needs to or that it should. Even if you're not noticing a sensation, the vibration is still connecting to the cells in your body and delivering good energy. Taking a deeper breath in and out. Letting your attention just softly rest on any vibration, any sound, or the breath that you hear. So certain sounds are meant to resonate with certain energy centers. It doesn't matter where you feel it in your body or if you feel any sensation at all, just know that just by you being here and participating, just listening to the sound, it's tuning your energy centers. Clearing away unwanted stuff, cleaning out your biofield, your auras, and enhancing the healthy flow of energy into every one of your chakras. This one is particularly powerful for the heart center, so I'm going to play it again. Absorbing the sound into every cell, letting it wash through your body. Still? You're still doing this? Maybe bringing your attention to that soft space between your brows now, the third eye center, such a powerful energy center for us. Truly the seat of our intuition, our inner knowingness, our inner wisdom. The little voice that guides us when we need guidance. We're moving up a little bit higher now to that crown. What a beautiful tone. The sense of we are one, all is one, connected to something so much greater than ourselves, this universal life force. Big inhale, big exhale breath. Notice if you hear it more on one side or the other. Any sensations in your body. And we'll take one more sweep with this more soft tone. This one is known to enhance the way water moves, actually reorganize molecular structure of water. It is also thought to reorganize the structure of our DNA, have positive effects on the structure of our DNA. And now just resting comfortably for a few more breaths. I'm going to offer you some Reiki energy through my hands. If there's any energy center in your body that you feel needs a little boost of energy, or maybe it feels over-energized, overcharged, and you'd like to soften it and set your awareness there. Just be open to receiving the energy from the universe through this channel, delivering whatever it is that you need today, and trusting that whatever you need will be coming to you. Whatever the session is meant to bring you, it will bring you. Whatever messages or guidance your angels should deliver to you today, they will. Because you have asked and you've set your intention and you're open to receiving it. Take one more sweep with the tuning fork, just wrapping it all up. Sealing off the energy session, closing it together. Positivity, love and light to all. Only that which is for our best and highest should be taken back out of the session with us. Everything else is swept away. And from my heart to yours, with a very grateful heart for having joined me today. Namaste. Be well.